In this tutorial video we will be learning about controlled fixed rotation gate in Blueqat. We will be doing this in Google Colab. Like we did in previous video, we will start with installation of Blueqat. We can do it by using this code !pip install Blueqat. Type the code that was shown earlier in Google Colab. Then click on play button and Blueqat will be installed. Controlled fixed rotation gate. 2 qubits gate is mainly 1 qubit gate with a control bit added to it. CX, CY, CZ gates. This gates can be implemented by the following. In CX gate, we can use both CX or C0 keyword in the code. CX gate. Here we can use either CX or C0 keyword. If we run this code, output is 00. Now let's confirm this in Google Colab. Type the code that was shown earlier. Now click on play button. As you can see, the output is 00. Now let's try using C0 gate. Click on play button. It gives the same output that is 00. CY gate. In this code we use CY gate, and if we run this code then the output is 00 as well. Now let's confirm this in Google Colab. Type the code that was shown earlier. Now click on play button. As you can see, the output is 00. CZ gate. In this code we use CZ gate, and here also if we run this code then the output is 00 as well. Now let's confirm this in Google Colab. Type the code that was shown earlier. Now click on play button. As you can see, the output is 00. CX, CY, CZ gates. The control gate consists of control bit and target bit. The control gate uses 2 qubits. These convert the second bit when the first bit is 1. Here is a commonly used CX gate as an example. As you can see, when the first bit is 1, the second bit is mapped to the X gate. Other control gates are the same. That's all for today. Thank you.